Welcome to XBLUE. Today we are going to demonstrate how to configure your QB server with advanced mobility for use with the Geo app. We will also cover the download and login process for the Geo mobile app. Feel free to pause or rewind the video at any time to review any steps you may have missed. We will cover this content fairly quickly. Thank you again for watching our video. Let's take a look at some of the prerequisites we will need to get started. We will need a QB server with an active annual advanced mobility subscription. Please contact our sales team for more information. Admin account access to your QB server. Your email, SMTP, and POP server information. This includes server address, port numbers, and login information. Please note some email providers require you to generate app-specific passwords before configuring your email account on third-party devices. Please contact your email service provider for details. An iPhone or Android device to download the Geo app. A computer to access the QB and receive the welcome email. An active email address to receive the welcome email. In this demonstration, we will proceed as if the mail server has already been properly configured. Let's jump right in. First, let's log into the QB server and navigate to Settings. Then Email. Here you will configure your SMTP and POP email server settings. Please refer to your email service provider when setting this up. You will set the sender email address, the username, which typically is the email address, the password or app-specific password provided by your email service provider, the SMTP server address and port number, and the POP server address and port number. Most servers require you to use TLS or Start TLS when authenticating with their server. Once you have confirmed your mail server settings are configured properly, press Save and apply at the top right if prompted. Once everything is configured, you can press the Test button to send a test email. If the test email is sent successfully, you have confirmed your email server is configured, and the QB server is now configured to send emails. Now that our email server has been configured, we can now add an email address to the extension number. First, go to Settings, then click on Extensions. Edit the extension you want to configure. Add the user's email address to the email field. Press the Save button, then the Apply button at the top right. Now we will enable access to the Geo app for extension 101, now that it has an email associated with it. From the QB desktop, open the Geo Advanced Mobility app and click on the Client Settings tab at the top. Enable Geo Client for the extension and press Apply at the top right. Now that Geo is enabled for extension 101, we can send the welcome email. You can select single or multiple extensions to send the welcome email to. Once selected, press the Send Email button. The QB server will now send the welcome email for the extension selected. Search the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store for XBLUE Geo. Download the Geo app to your smartphone and launch it. Once you have initially launched the app, it will prompt you to allow notifications. If you would like to be notified of incoming calls, you will want to click Allow. Click the button in the top right of the Geo app to scan the QR code. Next, in order to scan the QR code using your smartphone camera, you will need to allow access to the camera as well. Open the welcome email you received on your computer or another device. Using your smartphone with the Geo app, scan the QR code from the welcome email you received. Once you scan the QR code with your smartphone, it will automatically log you into the app. Once logged in, you will be presented with a privacy policy. To continue, you have to hit the Agree button at the bottom right. After agreeing to the privacy policy, you may be prompted to change your password. If you are prompted to change your password, take note of the password requirements displayed. After changing your password and logging in, the Geo app may prompt you to give access to your contacts. This is optional and is not required to use the features of the app. You may also be prompted to access your local network as well as your microphone. The Geo app will need access to these in order to make and receive calls. Once you have accepted the prompts, the app is ready to make and receive calls using the extension it is configured for. Thank you for joining us for this segment. Give us a call or visit our website at xblue.com.